Hi, I'm Louis Casarella. Are you thinking about purchasing a new chainsaw but aren't quite sure which one to choose? Let me give you a few tips that would help get you pointed in the right direction. Chainsaws are a versatile and time-saving tool, and they're very powerful. It's important that you match the right chainsaw with the job that you have to do, as well as with your level of experience in using the saw. So let's get started. The first thing you should do is ask yourself 3 questions. First, how experienced am I in using a chainsaw? What do I plan to cut with my chainsaw? And finally, how big in diameter will the wood be that I plan on cutting? Let's start with our first question. If your answer was that you have little to no experience with a chainsaw, you should probably make as conservative of a choice as you can. Although you want to have a chainsaw with the right power range and features to perform the task at hand, it's best that you don't choose one with substantially more power than you need. If you plan on using your chainsaw occasionally around the yard, say clearing up after a storm, or maintaining trees on your property, then you should consider a smaller, lightweight unit such as the MS-181 CBE. The MS-181 CBE has lots of power to take on those tasks around your home, coupled with a reduced emissions engine and bar lengths that can range from 12 to 16 inches. Now, all Stihl chainsaws will come standard with the Stihl quick stop chain brake, the master control lever, a very comfortable AV system, and automatic bar and chain oiler. The MS-181 CBE also comes with the Stihl easy to start feature, as well as a purge pump and a quick chain adjuster. The easy to start feature enables the user to start the engine with an almost effortless pull of the cord, coupled with the purge pump that ensures the fuel system is primed with cool, fresh fuel. And the quick chain adjuster allows you to maintain the proper chain tension without the need for a special tool or wrench. If you will be using your chainsaw not only around the house, but possibly to cut some firewood or to clear a few trees from your property, then you should consider stepping up to the more powerful MS-251 series. Also equipped with a reduced emission engine, the 251 series handles bar lengths from 16 to 18 inches. And like the MS-181 CBE, the MS-251 CBE also comes with the easy to start feature, purge pump carburetor, and quick chain adjuster. And finally, if you have a larger property such as a farm or a ranch and you'll be using your chainsaw on a regular basis, then you'll want to consider moving up to a more powerful chainsaw that can support longer bar lengths and is built to stand up to constant heavy-duty use. Take a look at the MS-271. The bar lengths on the 271 series range from 16 to 20 inches, and this series is packed with professional features and power, built for those really big jobs. Now, for the third question, how big will the wood be that you intend to cut? This will be one of the most crucial decisions you will need to make when choosing the right chainsaw. Oftentimes, people will overestimate the size of the wood they are going to cut and end up buying more saw than they actually need. Let me show you an example of this. The MS-181 CBE is equipped with a 16-inch bar. Now that's plenty for cleaning up fallen limbs around your yard, as well as trees that may be downed. This is our MS-271 with a 20-inch bar, and this is a 20-inch tree. Now that's pretty big, and most likely when working around your farm or ranch, this unit with a 20-inch bar should handle the job. Make sure you are realistic about choosing the right bar length coupled with the engine series that best fits your needs. Stihl has many chainsaws to choose from, with a variety of power ranges, features, and bar lengths. Make sure you check this out. The Stihl hang tags will help you find the chainsaw that best fits your needs. Or visit our website at stihlusa.com to learn more about Stihl products. So remember, ask yourself these 3 questions. How experienced am I with using a chainsaw? What do I plan to cut with my chainsaw? And finally, how big in diameter will the wood be that I plan on cutting? Once you've answered these questions, you will be well on your way in choosing the right chainsaw for your needs. This is Louis Casarella. We'll see you next time.